Okay, composites class. I am counseling the class, the lab today, and I will send out more information to you, but I'm going to ask that you write kind of a 2 or 3 page report, look on some videos about making molds using composites. So our typical method in the past of making molds from composites has been we just for a simple one, we have a pattern, and let's see, here's a pattern. Sorry, there's a pattern, and just a wood block, wax on it, put the wax stuff there, and then we put make our own gel coat by mixing some powders with epoxy resin, and we put that on there and let that partially cure, and then we can do a hand layup. And so here's a hand layup. It's not vacuum bagged, and it looks kind of rough on the outside, but we have pretty good on the inside.